Hello, Sam here. I have a deadbolt and the key was stuck in there. So what I'm gonna try to do is get the key out. So there's many different techniques we can use. I'm just gonna use a simple tap technique. So I already took this deadbolt off the door. Originally, the client called me and he was locked out. And we got the door open. And then once I got the door open, now it's time to pull the key out. So I've been trying different methods. I think I'm just gonna tap it. So we're gonna see if it works. But a note to keep in mind, you want to keep this straight, because if this isn't like directly straight up and down, then that key won't come out the cylinder. So for instance, if it's turned like that, you ain't gonna get the key out. It has to be directly up and down, just like that. All right, so now I'm just gonna tap it on the ground, basically. The power of vibration. Now, if you look closely, you can see it's starting to come out. Now, if I try to get it right now, I'd probably just push the key back in. So I'm going to try to get it to come out even more. So that's where we're at right now, so you can see.
You know, also, I think the it was turned halfway. When
It was.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So that just made it even harder, right? Yeah. But then again, it goes. You got to know, right? Like, and I knew.
Oh, you knew.
I knew, yeah. Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that. Couldn't see anything before.
It's making its way. Like the groundhog. All right, let's see. So I'm gonna try to pull that out. I'm gonna try to pull it out without pushing it back in.
Did you unlock it like that? Like,
Yeah.
is that how it was when it was unlocked?
I had to turn it.
Well, right when you unlock it, you have to turn it again one way clockwise.
Yeah, you do. You're right. It's really stuck in there because it don't want to come out. Like, it really don't. I'm just pushing it back in. I'm trying to tap it some more. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing pretty good. Now I turned it. Let's come back out again. Let's see if I can pull it this time though. It's really stuck in there. I'm gonna find its own groove. Got it. Thanks for watching.